Hi, my name is Annie Rugit. I'm an author and an illustrator, and today we have a fun art tutorial for you guys. It's a really simple one. It's a kitty cupcake, and all you need is a piece of paper, a black marker or a Sharpie, and some crayons or markers. So let's get to it. Hello, let's get started. You'll need a Sharpie, and we're gonna draw a little hill. That's the top of our cat's head. Now we're gonna draw the ears. I like to put a little dot up there so I know where I'm going. And then I'm gonna start from the dot and go down. Nice curved line. Let's do that on the other side. Awesome. And then go back to the dot and connect it to the top of the cat's head. Great, good job. Okay, starting at the left ear, we're going to go around, kind of stop halfway, and then let's connect it to the other side. A nice kind of bowl shape. And there's the kitty's head. Good job. So now I'm gonna add a nose. I like to do it kind of lower than halfway down. A little upside down triangle. Perfect. And then a little line downwards, and lastly, a small little smile. Great. Okay, now we're gonna do some eyes. They're little hill shapes again, little smiling eyes. Okay, so just like a little hill, very easy, super cute. Okay, great job. Now we're gonna do the inside of the ear. These are also just two little kind of rounded triangles. And then some whiskers. I like to kind of bend mine downward, but you can do them straight too if you want. Okay. Now let's go up to the top of the head and do one more little upside down bowl. This is a cherry on top, and then a little stem that points out. Okay, now we're gonna do the bottom of the cupcake. So I'm gonna kind of measure from the middle. I'm gonna draw a little line to guide myself. And you can see that it's a little bit smaller than the size of the head. That's good. Now I'm gonna extend that line out. This is the bottom of the cupcake. And I'm just kind of measuring things before I draw. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna connect kind of up where the whiskers are. So I'm gonna draw two little guides and then a line down to the bottom of the cupcake. Now you can draw some extra ridges for that cupcake paper. Great. Okay, now we can take out our markers or crayons, whatever you prefer. I have markers today. And I'm going to start with a red. I'm going to go in and color the nose and the cherry. Draw a little circle so that you have a highlight left, and then you can color in that cherry. Okay, next I'm going to make a pink kitty. So I'm going to draw around the edges just so it looks nice and clean. This is my favorite marker technique. And then I'm gonna go on top of the head. And then I'm gonna slowly start to fill it in. I like to use the thick side of the marker and just make lines across. And it makes it look nice and neat. You can also go around that nose. Okay, now if you have a dark pink, you can use that to make a shadow, or you can use the same lighter pink. I'll show you what it looks like if we do that. So you just kind of go a couple times over the bottom of that kitty head and it gives it a nice shadow. Now we'll take the darker pink and we'll color in the ears. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple sprinkles too, because I feel like every cupcake needs sprinkles. Now we'll get your yellow, and we're going to color in the bottom of the cupcake with a yellow marker or crayon. Okay, orange. You're just gonna do a line under the kitty's head, and you can go down each line, just tracing it to give it a little shadow. And then a very thin line on the bottom. Nice. Okay, next we'll take our red and we'll go back in and do a little shadow on that cherry and maybe a couple sprinkles. And let's do some blue sprinkles too. Nice. And maybe one more color, purple, for a few more sprinkles. And a little thin line on that cherry just to give it that extra shadow. Yeah, looks good. And there you go, you're all done. Now take your favorite color and sign your name, and we'll see you next time.